Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
I will guide you to build a secure password manager in Python. Start by defining core requirements: confidentiality, integrity, and usability. Choose a single encrypted vault file to simplify backups and portability. Generate a cryptographic key from a master passphrase using PBKDF2 with 200,000 iterations and a 16-byte salt. Use AES 256 GCM for authenticated encryption of entries to prevent tampering. Plan clear CLI or GUI command. Implement the core functions next: key derivation, encryption, decryption, and file I/O. Derive the encryption key using PBKDF2 with 200,000 iterations and a 16-byte salt. For each record, encrypt with AES 256 GCM and a unique 12-byte non-C per entry. Store records as JSON with base 64 ciphertext, the 12-byte non-C, and the 16-byte authentication tag. Ensure file writes are atomic by writing to a temporary file, then performing an atomic rename. Harden the manager before trusting real secrets by following security best practices. Require the master passphrase only in memory and securely wipe it after use. Use secure memory handling libraries when available to reduce swap leakage. Offer encrypted backups and optionally sign them with an HMAC to verify integrity. Provide clear UX. Prompt for the master passphrase at startup and keep timeout lockouts for inactivity. Add unit tests, fuzzing, and threat modeling to validate design against real attack scenarios.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.